How y'all doing? Today I will be showing y'all how I achieve this look. Just stay tuned and sit back and enjoy. What's up, everyone? So today I'll be showing you how I do my sleek ponytail without a part, without combing through my natural curls. So I just take some of my moisturizing shea product and I just distribute it all over my hair evenly, and I just pull my hair out. I don't flatten it because you want to stretch your hair. So you want to pull your hair outward and continue to do so like I'm doing. And you want to start putting your hair on whichever side you want so that the hair can start going towards where you will have your ponytail. I'm not running my fingers through my hair. I'm just trying to stretch my hair and make everything go to one side where I will have my ponytail. So now I'm just taking some more of my moisturizing product. I'm using conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and I'm just distributing it all over my hair evenly. And for a tip, I do not comb my hair every single day, because really if you comb your hair every single day, you're really ripping out your hair. I'm just gonna be honest. There's no need that you should just comb your hair every day unless you feel the need to. But for my natural hair, I'll go a few days without combing it at times, but I still style it. And I'm just taking a little bit of water. I actually use rainwater for my hair. It really helps it, flourish, And I ain't even mean to do that. Spraying water on the mirror. But the water actually helps stretch my hair and helps it actually lay down as well. And you should use water on your hair often, because your hair is like you. I mean, it gets dry and it needs, to be filled with some water to help moisturize your hair, and the water actually helps lock in the moisture. Okay, so after I put my hair into a ponytail, after I gather it and lay it in the direction where I will be brushing it and sleeking it down, I just put on some of my product here to help lay it down and get ready for the gel that I'll be putting it on next. And I put my hair in a ponytail now so that it can help guide where I will be, laying my hair down. Okay, so I'm just using my hands to help flatten my hair and put the gel on my hair. And once I put the gel on there, I use the brush to help sleek it down and everything. And now I'm just, what am I doing? Now let me stop. I'm just helping put the gel products on my hair so my hair can actually lay down. And you can use whatever works best for you. I mean, I didn't show the products that I use because, I don't use a certain type of thing, but I do use shea products, stuff that has shea moisture in it. But now I'm just taking my hair out of the ponytail so that I can gather my hair while putting in the scrunchie, if that makes sense. I'm just gathering the sleekiness so it can be in the ponytail too. So I felt that the ends of my hair needed a little bit more moisturizing, so that's what I'm doing here. And you can put, as much product as you need. I'm different, so how much stuff I need for my hair may not be the amount you need for yours. And I forgot to make this statement, but forgive my faces. I don't even be knowing I be making these faces until I look at these videos. It's just like, Lord, I be making them because my hair, I don't know, it'd be a lot to tame. So after I'm done brushing my hair down into the direction of my ponytail, I'm going to use my hands to do the same. Just using my brush to brush down the little flyaways, and you can kind of see where I usually part my hair. I don't know why I didn't part it this time, but I can make a separate video on how I do that. But now I'm just putting my little edge, little control, you know, to lay my little hair down. I use this edge control, and it's really thick, but I just use it to further lay down my edges, you know, so it can be sleek. Okay, so the edge control is the last thing I do, and then I use my brush to really just finish it off and make sure everything just laying down the way it's supposed to. And after that, is it really it? Thank y'all for watching this video. I really greatly enjoy y'all. And just look the finished touch. I hope y'all can achieve this look. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all later. If you're still watching, you to go, because there really wouldn't it. But I just use my little, edge brush to just slick my little edges down, because what's a slick with no edges? What's a slick ponytail with no edges? I'll wait. But yeah, I just use it to just slick my little edges down, make it seem like I got a little something going on, Now, this is really the end, y'all. Stay tuned for my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.